Driving in heavy rain with a hidden mechanical issue isn't just annoying, it's how you end up in a ditch. When the rainy season hits, your car's safety margins drop to zero if these key areas are neglected. Here is exactly what you need to check right now, before the next storm hits. Welcome back to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here. Rainy season maintenance isn't just about changing your wiper blades and calling it a day. High humidity, heavy standing water, and moisture put massive stress on your electrical, HVAC, and traction systems. Today, we're breaking down the top 4 critical inspection points to ensure your vehicle stays road-ready and glued to the tarmac when the downpour hits. Let's dive straight in. First up, tires. Everyone talks about the legal limit being 2/32 of an inch, but in heavy rain, performance drops off a cliff long before that. You want at least 4/32 or greater of tread depth. Anything less, and the tire simply cannot evacuate water fast enough, lifting your car off the asphalt and causing a complete loss of control, aka hydroplaning. Also, check your cold tire pressure against your door jamb placard. Underinflated tires deform, making them way more prone to lifting on standing water. Next is visibility. If you see streaks or hear your wipers chattering, swap them immediately. But visibility isn't just external. High humidity causes instant window fogging. Remember, your AC compressor acts as a dehumidifier. If your cabin air filter is clogged, it restricts that dry airflow, leaving you blind inside the cabin. Keep that filter clean. Point number 3 is your 12V battery and electrical system. High atmospheric humidity accelerates that white powdery corrosion on your battery terminals. That crust increases electrical resistance, which causes no-start conditions just when you need the car most. Clean them down with a wire brush, protect the connection, and do a quick walk-around to ensure every single exterior bulb is bright enough to cut through low-visibility downpours. Finally, check your cowl drains at the base of the windshield. If leaves and debris clog these holes, rainwater backs up directly into your cabin's footwells or fries your blower motor modules. And if your brakes squeak or pulse slightly on the first stop after a rainy night, don't panic. It's usually just the pad sweeping off overnight flash rust from the rotors. Taking 20 minutes to check your tread depth, clear your drains, and clean your battery terminals is the difference between a safe drive and an unexpected call to a tow truck. If this technical breakdown saved you a headache, smash that like button and drop a comment below on what your go-to wet weather tire is. And thank you for watching.